Hi, welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. I'm Tracy and I love quick woodcraft DIY projects. And if you do too, you've clicked on the right video. So let's go ahead and get started on this adorable woodcraft.
To begin this project, you'll need a large wood cut out from the Dollar Tree and you'll remove its hanger. Once the hanger's been removed, you'll take one of your favorite pieces of scrapbook paper and you're going to glue it to the back side of the heart. To do this, you're going to take a Elmer's purple glue stick and just cover the complete back side of the scrapbook paper. Then attach the heart. And press the heart down into the glue. Once you've done that, you'll flip the heart over and just gently push the paper into the wood heart, just making sure that the glue is securely attached to the wood heart. And to do this, you can use just a straight edge of any sort. I chose to use this old gift card. Then you'll set it aside to dry. For this next step, you'll need one of the bamboo hoops from the Dollar Tree and 2 wooden hearts that you will stain or paint in your favorite color. I chose this Americana gel stain in walnut. Now this next step is optional, but I chose to give mine a good coat of the Rust-Oleum Matte Clear Enamel just to give it a little bit of sheen. Once that's done, you'll move back to the paper-covered heart shape. And you will trim the excess paper away from the edge of the heart. And you can do this in 2 ways. I'm going to be using an X-Acto knife, but you can also use scissors. Now that we have our heart trimmed up, we're going to move back to our bamboo hoop and our wooden hearts. We're also going to need a photo of your choice. I'm going to be using this one of my parents on their wedding day, and we're going to frame the picture with our bamboo hoop. And to do that, you take the Elmer's purple glue stick and you'll rub it right around the outer bottom edge of the bamboo hoop. Then you will attach it to your photo, which my photo is printed out on a heavy cardstock. Once the glue has dried on the bottom of the bamboo hoop to the photo, you'll just trim around the outer edge of the bamboo hoop. I like to use scissors for this. Then you'll bring your paper-covered heart back into the process. And we want to attach the hoop-framed photo to the middle of the heart. And to do so, you'll take your glue stick and you'll put glue completely around the outer edge of the hoop photo, and then you'll put a little bit of glue on the center of the larger heart, and then attach the bamboo hoop photo frame. Now that that's done, you'll take your wooden hearts and you'll attach them to the upper outer rim of the bamboo hoop, creating a 3D effect. And for this step, you'll want to use hot glue. Now, as you'll notice, the wood hearts are quite thin, And to make them a little more substantial, you'll want to trim your heart. And I'm going to be trimming mine in this metal trim. And you can purchase this at Hobby Lobby, or you can also purchase it at Dollar Tree. I have seen different versions of this at Dollar Tree. But I'm going to be using this Hobby Lobby version. Once you have your metal stripping measured out, you'll take a bead of hot glue and run it around the outer edge of your wood heart, and you will attach your metal trim. And then trim off any excess that's left over. You'll see that trimming the heart out in that metal really defined it. Once you have your metal trim attached, you'll come in and you'll trim the inside of the metal trim with your favorite trim detail. I'm going to be using this braided raffia. Once you have your trim detail done, you'll move on to the final step, and that's going to be embellishing it with your favorite ribbon. I'm going to be using this black velvet ribbon, and you'll create a simple bow and a hanger. Hey, thanks for sticking around. I hope you love this project as much as I loved bringing it to you. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. And for all those who have subscribed, thank you so much for your kindness and your support. Well, until next week, keep it crafty.